Hi everyone, welcome back to Ice Caves. Today we're going to be getting the necklace in Robloxian High School. So, first we're going to want to join a private server. They're free right now, so this is the easiest way to do it. So just join a private server and wait for it to load. Whoa. Okay, there we go. So, what you want to do is just immediately teleport to the school as you get in, because you need to get over to this library section. So get in and then sit in this chair. You can't be sitting in the other one. You have to sit in this chair. And now you need to be here by the time the time reaches 8 o'clock or around there. So what you're going to want to do is just keep sitting, and it should spawn, yep, right there. So, my friend's here to help us out, so shout out to him. His name is Cool5Dallin. So, okay, so after you get the key, you just want to come over this way, the classes place, and come over right into here. Now, with the key, it'll allow you to open up this door. Then, once you're in this door, teleport. You'll go into this teleporter. Now, what you're going to want to do is dress up, and then go to tuning. And you want to change that, and this up. Both of those up. So now you're super skinny, so it'll be easy to dodge any of the kill blocks. So what you need to do in order to get the necklace is complete this pretty long and hard obby. So, see, look, right here, because we made ourselves skinny, it was easy to go through those kill blocks. Same with right here. So, that's the first tip. Now the second tip is, instead of just jumping on these little cornflakes or cereal, you can just, you can jump on those, but my trick is just to jump to the donut and then to the cereal bowl, because the cereal bowl does not fall. So it's really easy just to jump to the donut and then to the cereal bowl. And then on this one, just jump to that one, that little flake, and over here. The third tip is to jump right there. And now you have to jump on these little cracks, and then jump. This part's really easy, just do these little jumps. Then this part, you just have to do these jumps on the bamboo, or whatever it is, this celery with peanut butter. Fourth tip is just to jump right here, right there, onto this, onto that, sprint jump. So that's how you get past this part. Now what you're going to want to do, this part, there isn't really like a tip, but what you can just do that if you want. And then same with this pink one, and then you can jump to the green one and that pink one. And then you can jump over here to this pan, over here. Don't touch the red, otherwise you have to restart. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Now, this part's pretty simple. Just do little jumps again. This part, same, it's pretty simple. Little jumps. Right here you can just jump to that pancake. So then to this one, then to this one. Right here, all you have to do really is follow the lasers. Don't go the opposite direction. So wait for it to pass, and then you can just follow it, and then jump to this one. Wait. Follow it. Jump to this one. Wait. follow it. Jump, 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 jump. And then you're going to want to jump down here. Now just jump on these little cereal bowls. And now this part's the hardest part. What you want to do is kind of just stand to the side and jump barely. Okay, we're back. Same thing as before. Let's try and do little jumps. Okay, did it. This part's climb up, not difficult at all. Okay, this part is kind of hard. You want to wait for one to pass by, like that. Jump down, and then you want to jump up, jump up, jump up. Wait for another one to pass by. Jump up, jump up, jump up. Wait, jump up. No! Okay, we made it back. Now, same thing as before. Just wait for one to drop. Go ahead and go. Okay, we made it back again. So, gonna wait for these to fall. Okay, here we go. Just go down here, jump, jump. Oh my. Okay, made it once again. I'm gonna try and do the same thing as before. Just wait for them to spawn. You have to wait for certain one. If it's gonna spawn. Okay, here we go. Wait for those to drop. Now go. Okay, we made it back again. Gonna wait for them to spawn. There we go. Wait for them to spawn. And there we go. Now all you have to do is jump down through here, and there you go. That is how you get the Robloxian High School badge. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.